Welcome to our channel. If you need to temporarily pause your Instacart shopping activities and stop receiving batch notifications, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your availability. Step 1. Open the Instacart Shopper app on your mobile device and log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the main dashboard where you can see available batches and your current shopping status. Step 3. Look for the availability toggle or Go Online Offline button, usually located at the top of the screen or in your account settings. Step 4. Tap the toggle to switch your status from online to offline to stop receiving new batch notifications immediately. Step 5. If you need a longer break, navigate to your account settings by tapping your profile icon in the app. Step 6. Look for options like Schedule or Availability, where you can block out specific times when you don't want to receive batches. Step 7. Adjust your availability schedule by selecting the dates and times you want to remain offline from shopping. Step 8. Confirm your changes to ensure your availability preferences are saved and you won't receive batch notifications during your scheduled break. Step 9. Remember that going offline doesn't affect your shopper account status, and you can return to online status anytime you're ready to resume shopping. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.